Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section Online Class 7. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher. As you know, we are discussing unit number 5 these days. The name of the unit is AAMER'S CAFÉ. We are doing its exercises. Open your books at page 61. Let's move towards the first question of today's lecture. Part A, Comprehension. Question number 2 of Comprehension. It is a very interesting question, that is, select the best answer. Part A, the overripe mulberries, unpicked and untasted, save by birds, had fallen and rotten on the ground. This means here are 4 options and we are to select that is correct and suited to this very main sentence. Number 1, that the birds did not eat the mulberries. Number 2, this may mean that only the birds did not eat the mulberries. Number 3, this may also mean even the birds did not eat the mulberries. Number 4, that is the last option, only the birds ate the mulberries. You guess what may be the correct answer. That is according to this statement, the overripe mulberries, unpicked and untasted, saved by birds, had fallen and rotten on the ground. Here are 4 sentences and one is correct. That is the meaning of this main sentence. I tell you the correct answer. The correct answer is option number 4, that is only the birds ate the mulberries. You can tick here on your textbooks. Now move towards the second part. Now part B. Part B is she had always ridiculed them. Here them means the dreams that Amr had been sharing with his wife Maham. She had always ridiculed them. She had always made fun of those dreams as being mere pipe dreams. This sentence means, again here are 4 options. Number 1, this may also be the meaning of this sentence. She made fun of them because they were dreams about smoking a pipe. Number 2, she made fun of them because they were lengthy dreams. Number 3, she made fun of them because they were fanciful and unattainable dreams. Number 4 and last option of this question, she made fun of them because they were unrealized dreams. 1 is the correct answer that is suited to this sentence. She had always ridiculed them as being mere pipe dreams. The correct answer is option 3. She made fun of them because they were fanciful and unattainable dreams. Actually, Amr did not fulfill even a single desire, even a single dream that he had always been sharing with his wife Maham. So option 3 is the correct option. She made fun of them because they were fanciful and unattainable dreams. This is the end of question number 2. Now we move towards question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is answer the following with reference to context. Again, another very interesting question. Here is a statement. A, simply a quiet resignation. Simply a quiet resignation. 3 questions have been set from this statement, simply a quiet resignation, and we are to answer these questions keeping in mind this sentence, simply a quiet resignation. Number 1, about whom was this statement made? Can you guess about whom this statement was made? This statement was made about Maham. This statement was made about Maham. This statement was made when Amr had shared his plan of building a cafe in the plot, but She simply remained quiet. She had accepted the situation because she did not believe Amr and his dreams. He had never fulfilled any of his dreams. Number 2. In what ways had the subject shown resignation? Here subject means Maham. Maham actually shown resignation, simply a quiet resignation. In what ways had the subject shown resignation? She had stopped commenting on Amar's dreams. It means that she had stopped commenting on Amar's dreams. Number 3. Is the sentence a complete sentence? Give a reason for your answer. Do you think this sentence is a complete sentence, simply a quiet resignation? No, it is not complete. This sentence is incomplete as it has no subject. You know, there is no subject in this sentence, so it is an incomplete sentence. The sentence is incomplete as it has no subject. Now we move towards second part. Second part is, that is B. All the final negotiations and visits to the bank could be undertaken with greater ease and peace of mind. Actually, this statement was made when Amr had shared his plans of building a cafe in the plot with Maham. All the final negotiations and visits to the bank could be undertaken with greater ease and peace of mind. Question number 1. About whom was this statement made? Can you guess? Thus, this statement was made about Amr. This statement was made about Amr, as it is quite clear from the statement. Question number 2. Why might all this now be possible? Why might all this now be possible? All this now might be possible because he had made all the arrangements. He also shared his plan with Maham about building a cafe in the plot. Because he had made all the arrangements, he also shared his plan with Maham. Question number 3. What were the reasons for further negotiations and visits to the bank? What were the reasons for further negotiations and visits to the bank? Further negotiations and visits to the bank were necessary because Amr wanted to finalize the deal of buying the plot where he wanted to build his cafe and fulfill his dream of building a cafe. Because Amr wanted to finalize the deal and fulfill his dream of building a cafe. That's all of today's lecture, dear students. I would advise you to go through this very lecture once again so that you might be able to understand each and everything completely. If you find any problem, if you have any question, you may comment. I'll be there to answer your questions. Till some next lecture, take a very good care of yourself and your dear ones. Thank you very much.